wall panels do you produce a day?
Yes, we the production capacity is 5,000 square meters per day.
5,000 square meters per day, okay. So here's the panels before they go over for the cement house. There's 3 factories. This is one of 3. And so here's the cement panels. And what's interesting is I saw on the video before I came over, and one of the reasons I was mostly interested, they have the windows and the doors. And so this one, how it's all banded together, is this one house? Since it's banded together this way, do you know? Do you know if this is one house since it's banded together this way? Like, is this one house completed and it has the window and the doors, or is it?
For the one house we make we use standard panel and also special size of the panel so that the house can be made very fast. We don't need to cut or welding in the building site.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so it has the window panel, a door panel, like a roof panel.
Yeah.
Different type.
I see. Wow, interesting. It's so cool. Are there any of them out here that have? Oh yeah, look. So two hoses over there. That's water if it's 2 pipes.
Yes.
And one is power.
Yes, we can make the built-in water pipe or wiring pipe.
Okay.
Inside of the panel.
I gotcha. Mm-hmm. Yeah. When I talked to William, I said, I want in every panel wiring pipe.
Yes.
And he said that will cost a little bit more. And I said that's okay because in the U.S. I love this concept. The only thing is in the U.S. People sometimes want to hang their TVs in the weirdest spots, right? And they want to move them all the time.
Yes.
Yeah. So wow, way cool.
Yes.
So cool.
You can see they have galvanized steel to cover the side.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. If you want to hang on some heavy stuff, you can. Yes.
Yeah.
It's here on the steel.
So part. Cool. And so they fit together in America. They fit together like cinder block walls would fit together. So over here they have these little pieces on the end, like this, and so they lock together for building. So, and a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house can be completed with 4 people in 6 hours, according to William. So, pretty cool altogether. And then what about the color for the walls? They just paint the walls?
Have many different choices. You can look at this. This painting is real stone painting.
A real stone painting.
Yes.
So this is like a stucco paint.
Yes.
And that's applied on top of the front of the cement? Just applied to the front of the cement?
Oh, so you mean how to paint on it?
Yeah, they spray this on just right onto the cement. They just spray that on as the covering?
Yes, you use some special equipment.
Oh, okay.
So this is a sample of the cement steel house.
Yeah.
Right? This is a sample.
This is the sample of the
This is
steel
a
house.
real
Yeah.
cement
That they use in Nigeria, you said, right? Oh, look at this. Wow. Okay.
This is a public toilet.
Nice. And
Yes.
and the floor in here is vinyl? Vinyl tile?
Ceramic tiles.
Ceramic tiles.
Yes.
This is ceramic tiles. Okay.
This is a public toilet.
Yeah. So public toilet. Oh, very nice wallpaper, right? Drop ceilings, plastic.
Yes.
Plastic drop ceilings.
This
Okay.
solid wall.
Okay. What about, I get a question already for this, as I've been talking about, what about sprinkler suppressor systems? Can you guys do that for commercial? Yeah, sprinkler.
Water draining?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
No, yeah, from the ceiling. Fire.
防火。
Fireproof.
Yeah.
那个防火喷水的。
Yes.
Sprinkler system.
可以做那个。
Yeah, can.
Okay. Cool. So, is anybody in here? No, not that. Oh, shower? Cool. All set up. And the outside of this is all cement wall. And the shower set up and complete. So, that's good.
That's a cement house. A cement steel house.
I love it.
This whole house, this part and the other part is finished the whole of the main body and also the decorations within 2 days.
They finished this house?
Yes.
And the decorations within 2 days?
Sure.
Wow, so cool. So cool.
The cement steel house.
We're going to be doing some updates, and then you have the U.S. outlets too,
Yes, yes.
and the 110 power and all that. And then what about for the appliances for the dryer? You have a 220, just for the like in the U.S. with the 3-plug prongs, 220.
They have the 3-hole, that kind.
Do you have the heavy duty for like stoves or heavy duty washer dryer? We'll have to look at it. Okay, note to self, we're gonna look at that. So anyways, so cool. Oh, look, there's a water heater.